Hey geeks, I am CoderVS. In this video we will discuss the difference between cookies and session. Cookies are stored on the user's computer, whereas sessions are stored on the server. User don't have access to it. A cookie can store a limited amount of data, a maximum of 4 kilobits, whereas the session can store an unlimited amount of data because it is stored on server. Cookie expires according to the time of expiry set for it, but the session expires after the user closes the web browser. Cookie is not secure as it is stored on user's computer, as user can modify it, whereas session is secured because it is stored on server and user can't modify it. Cookie is declared using setCookie function, whereas session is declared using $_session equals value. Brackets contains parameters. No method is called to start a cookie, but session need to be started using session_start function. Comment down the topic of next video you want to see. Make sure you subscribe our channel to get more valuable videos in future. Thanks for watching.